A non-renewable energy resource is a source of energy that cannot be replaced after use. So resources can't be reused simply because we can't put the energy back once it's been converted. Some examples of non-renewable energy resources are fossil fuels, which are formed from biomatter in the earth, and also nuclear fuel, which comes from uranium ore. These resources are non-renewable as they take too long to replace them compared to how fast we use them. But are all resources non-renewable? A renewable energy resource is a source of energy that will never run out or can be replaced after use. So some examples of renewable energy resources are hydroelectric power, which generates power using the kinetic energy in moving water, wind power, which uses wind to drive the turbines directly, and also biofuel, which is made up from plant materials. These resources won't run out as they're almost infinite or at least easily replaceable. You don't need to memorise all renewable energy resources for your exam, but you may need to recall some examples when asked and also describe basic properties of any when they're named. So how much of each resource have we been using? Most of the world's energy usage is sourced from fossil fuels. This is because most fuel-using machinery was invented around the time of the discovery of fossil fuels. This table shows the energy resources used to produce UK electricity in the year 2000. The fossil fuels are presented on the left, and on the right you can see nuclear and also renewable energy resources. As you can see, mostly fossil fuels were used in 2000 and very little renewable. But why has this data now changed? Fossil fuel supplies are expected to run out in the next 100 years. This is because fossil fuels are non-renewable. This table shows the years of fossil fuel supplies remaining. These figures are just estimates, assuming no new major supplies are found. However, as you can see, oil and gas have only 50 years remaining each. We are also more aware of the impact that burning fossil fuels has on the environment. So when fossil fuels are burnt, they release large amounts of carbon dioxide, which leads to global warming. So how have we changed our energy usage because of this information? Governments are now looking to increase the amount of energy sourced from renewable sources. We need to be prepared for when fossil fuels run out and also help the environment. This table presents the energy resources used to produce UK electricity in 2019. As you can see, there's much less reliance on fossil fuels and also an increased use of renewable energy sources. Coal was the first to be phased out because of its environmental impact. For your exam, you don't need to know the exact values from these tables, but you should know the conclusions that can be drawn from them.
Thanks for watching. If you want to take your GCSE revision to the next level, head over to launchpadlearning.com and check out our smart learning platform that's been designed to get you top results in your exams. We cover your whole specification and make revision fun with interactive quizzes, easy-to-follow videos and more. You'll be kept motivated by your own AI tutor who's here to support you every step of the way. To check it out for yourself, click here. Or click here to keep watching a selection of the videos from our full GCSE Physics course. See you there!